Welcome to week 40 of Where Am I Investing? My weekly journey where I invest in mutual funds, track them publicly, and share every win and loss with you. Over the past 39 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 4% with a CAGR of negative 5%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 1% with a CAGR of 1%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 9% with a CAGR of 25%. And Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 10% with a CAGR of 25%. My overall portfolio is up 0% with a CAGR of 0%. For context, the Sensex itself is down 3% with a CAGR of negative 3% since I started the journey on October 14th, 2024. That means even breaking even right now is slightly better than the benchmark. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund, keeping the investment amount the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have put 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because small cap funds are known for sharp swings. The recent market choppiness has brought valuations in this space down, which could be a good entry point for the long term. Investing is not about chasing short term returns, it's about planting seeds for future growth. If you enjoy watching a real investment journey, smash that like button. Drop a comment and tell me, would you invest in small caps right now or would you wait? And of course, subscribe so you don't miss week 41. That is it for week 40 of Where Am I Investing? I hope to see you again next week.